Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited today, the 6th of May 2024. Why am I excited? Yes, last week, as our analysis last week was spot on. It was awesome. In fact, more than 95% accuracy. So that's why I'm so excited. Almost everything we analyzed last week worked very well as analyzed. So if you are not following our channel, you are not watching our video, you're missing a lot. So follow this channel. You need to subscribe to this channel, and then turn on the notification button. Ensure you watch the video, not just only subscribing to this channel is not only enough. You need to also watch the video, and then after watching the video, you need to place the trades. You need to follow what we have analyzed, and you make money, you make dollars. Okay, so as usual, like I said, ensure you give us your comments. We want to see your comment. We want you to give us your own thoughts, what you think about analysis. Let's have your comment in the comment section. Ensure you like this video. Of course, you need to share this video. Let people know about Dubiss Forex Academy. Let's follow this analysis, weekly analysis, and make money. Okay, so let's start with XAUUSD, which is gold. XAUUSD is gold. Last week we told you that gold is at the moment very volatile. Since 2 weeks now, we've been telling you need to trade gold with care, but we have been making money from gold. Last week we had more than 15 signals on gold, and I think it's only 2. We had only, is it 2 or 1 that hit stop loss? Yes, only 1 that hit stop loss. So we made over 2,000, only good, over 3,000 pips. Yeah, it was up to 3,000 pips. Go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, then you see the results as we posted the result there. Okay, so I will also show us our paid group so that you see when the trade was sent and when the result was updated. You see that it's not a fluke, it's not lies. This is reality and this is truth. We are grinding results. Okay, so we have been trading gold, but honestly, from the direction, I told you that gold from here that it will bounce, then maybe make something like this and then go down. This is what we're anticipating. It went up, but it didn't hit at this level. It's now down. So from what we are seeing here, gold may continue, today is bullish. Today candle, this is daily candle. Today is actually bullish. Gold may maybe try to hit around 23.40 again. It may get to 23.40, and then from there it will go down. So we are still believing. Let me just add something today. Just add little thing. This is where we are today. So it may just go maybe up to 2040. All right, is around between 2040 2045. Okay, so between around 2040 2045, and then we see price going down. So let me still leave it this way. Let's still leave it this way. This was last week. Let's leave that last week on. Oh no, we need to remove it. All right, let's remove the last week on. So let's remove the last week. So this is where we are. So since the thing come up the way from there up to this point, okay, let's just give a new one so that we know that this is our latest analysis. This is where it got to. Okay, let's leave it like this. So we are still expecting, all right, something like this, then go up again and then go down. So we believe that good, most likely, but for it to go down, you have to first of all go up, retest around 2040 2045, then from there gold could flash down. So you need to trade with care. All right, so let's go to GBUSD. GBUSD, yes, like I said last week, remember I told you that scenario 1 is where this will break here, retest it, and then go up, or from this point price will actually fall. So I was believing that most likely that GBUSD will break here. So last Friday it did actually break here. So all through Monday, even though we're on buy, we have been buying GBUSD from this point, and it hits a resistance, a key level. And I told you to book your profit to wait until price breaks here, retest here, and then go. As we speak now, price have broken here. Today, we have not even waiting for a test. As we speak now, we have entered a buy on GBUSD. We are buying GBUSD. So if you're just seeing this video, you can take a buy on GBUSD because we are believing that price will come back and retest this week and even break it. So it's on its way up. No two ways about it. So GBUSD most likely is on its way up. You know, there's no 100% in analysis. So or in trading, there's no 100%. You may have your bias. Okay, price gets here, it will most likely reverse. It may get there and it continue to go. So what we do is we focus on price action, on the real thing, on what is happening in the market. Then you know how to trade. As we speak now, from what is happening, we are seeing that GBUSD is bullish at the moment and it will continue to go higher. So we have entered a buy. All right, so you can enter. We entered around 1.2540. Right now it's 1.257980. So that's to say we already like 40 pips profits at the moment. So it's still fresh because it may go up to 250 pips. So Euro USD also, congratulations for those that traded Euro USD. We told you that once here is broken, that price will go and then to go and retest this trend line. And you can see that last week it was broken, more especially last week Friday, non-farm payroll, it was a bad data for dollar, and the price went straight to hit our resistance, which is this trend line. So the buyer still remain the same. What we most likely will see this week is price going back, to fill up this week. And then what you now need to watch, for those that did not take the entry from here, we entered from around here, went up, we book our profits, we said let's wait and see if here is broken, and it's broken. I believe you should enter. Let's see, for those that enter at the break of this resistance, which I said once it breaks, price will go up, to hit the trend line. So let's see how many pips. So this is almost 80 pips already. It have hit here. So price may go up further. So, but if you do not take the entry from this point, there's no point for you to take the entry again because you have missed the entry point. So we now need to watch and see how the markets will perform here, this particular structure here. So let me highlight it. So this point, once here is broken, before price will continue to grind higher. So from here to here, maybe around 50 or 40 pips. So you don't need to take an entry here because price could actually fall, because it have hit here before and it came down. So it's going back to retest there, either to break it for a continuation or to get here and then reverse. So we need to wait and see what will happen here, and then know if we continue to buy Euro USD or price we get here, and because price could get here and then fly down to come back to this structure. And remember, there's still possibility of price falling down because Euro USD on a bigger picture is bearish. You can see it. Even if you go to weekly and to monthly, you will see that you can see that it's bearish. This thing you see here, price is trying to see what will happen from there. Price could actually fall back and go down, or it will continue to go up. So we need to go back to our daily time frame and then watch out for this place and see if we continue to buy Euro USD. For AUD USD, once again, remember I told you that most likely price could continue to go higher, and where we're looking at is at up to 0.687 or 0.68900. Let's use that point, 0.60900. All right, because that's a key level. That's a psychological level or number. all right, 6900. So this is where we are believing that AUD/USD could be on its way to 0.6900. So at the moment we need to take it step by step, and we bought, and I said that scenario 1, price getting here and fall. You can see where the price got to. It got to this place and it came down, and from here price is going up again. So we need price to break here to sustain this movement. You can see how many times price got here. In fact, if you select from here, you will see how many times price has been getting here. Price got here when it was coming down, it got here, retested it for. Now it came here, tried to break it, fake out, it came down, came back again, fall down, came back, rejected a bit. So we need price to break this structure, confirm it, which is around 0.6630. So once price breaks it, confirm for more bullish movement, then that is when, for those that want to take new entry, you take. So for those of you that took your entry from this point, ensure you are booking your profit to partial close your position and then move stop loss to entry point, because anything can happen. It could flash down from here. All right, so for the price to just move to this point, it may not just move straight, it will go and it falls. So you need to continue to book your profit, and then make sure you move your stop loss to entry. You can partial close, and then you hold some position anticipating it to get to where you're looking for. So for NZD/USD, same scenario. NZD/USD, for NZD/USD, we are buying NZD/USD. All right, still went up, came down, we still bought again from this point. We send a signal to our paid group, and we are still going to buy more NZD/USD. We believe that price should go higher, but it will not just go once. So we believe that price should either touch this particular point before going down. Price have not touched here, though it could fall at any point in time, and that's why you need to be careful. For those that are on the trade, move your stop loss to entry points. We are on the trade, we've made some good profits, and we believe that price will go more higher even this week, but ensure your stop loss is moved to your entry point or into profit, and partial close your position, because price could flash down at any point in time. So let's go to USD card. For USD card, all right, for USD card, yes, once again, you can see how our levels are really working. All the levels we've highlighted are working very great, and also our harmonic patterns is working well. If you need these automatic harmonic patterns, then you need to reach me at Dubiss1 on Telegram, at Dubiss1, Dubiss, on Telegram. Then I'll tell you, it will not cost you much, then it will be installed in your system. So we traded this pair USD card all the way from 1.339, all right, 3830. Yeah, let me highlight it and show you. You can see 1.3838. So but we started trading around 1.3830. So it only moved like 8 pips more, and then it started falling. We started selling USD card, and I told you that I'm anticipating the price to get to this support zone, which is a demand zone here. Look at it here. So price actually got there. Let's see where price got to. 1.3615. That is where price got. Look at this. In fact, it may even be 36110. That was where price got to. 1.3610. Yeah, that's where price got to. So it hits more than 150 pips. Let's measure and see from where we started selling. This system stop misbehaving. Okay, this is over 200 pips made from USD card. All right, so at the moment it has hit here, and definitely, naturally, when price hits key level, support or resistance, we call it demand or supply zone. You call it distribution or accumulation zone. Any of the vocabularies you want to use, they all means almost the same thing. Supply and demand zone, support and resistance, accumulation and distribution zone, all are related, almost the same thing they mean. So this is support level, which is demand zone, and it got their price flashed up. Look at when it got close to that, it went up, came again, tested, it was rejected. So at the moment, there's no entry point here because price could come back again to retest here or then break it. So we need to watch out what will happen here. So for those that wanted to buy, it was that Friday, we highlighted this so that when you go to our video, you see what price is doing. What price hits a key level, you can go there and take your entry and make some money. All right. So those that entered last week when price touched it, look at the first time, that same last week, it touched here, it went up. How many pips it went up for those that bought? That we are selling doesn't mean you will not buy. When you see price hitting the level, so that's over 150 pips. It came down again, and since it came down, let's see how many pips it made as it came down again to that place or rejected. Okay, that's around 80 pips, 80 to 90 pips. So this is how we roll. Follow this analysis and then highlight the key levels, and then it will help you to enter your market. So for USD this one a little bit tricky because it was consolidating for some time, which I said in my last video, and the price eventually broke here. And I told you that this is first scenario, price breaking here, coming back to retest here, and then move up. No, that's second scenario. I tell you that the first scenario is that price to respect here and then come down. Or price could actually break it, which is second scenario, retest it as a support and go. So what we saw is that price break it. Thank God I did not take the trade because I always want to wait and confirm for confirmation most times if I enter my trade. Okay, most times. So price broke it and then come back, and that's around 0.9100. As price break, came down and break it back again. So you see that this is what we call this particular place now. This is what we call fake breakouts. This is fake breakouts. All these things you see here, let me highlight them. It's actually fake breakouts. So it's just a fake breakout, fake people out. But if you watch very well, you see that there was another level here, which it has done this before. Break here, come back. So this is exactly what happened again, break here. So when it happened, look at what happened. It came down, retest it, and it fall down. So most likely, price has come, break it, come down. You may come back, retest this, and fly down. Trade with care. So if you're looking for opportunity to trade USDHF, so you could wait for price to come back here, retest it as a resistance, and then price falling down, which is around 0.9100. So GBPCHF worked as analyzed for the first. We always have our first bias as in first scenario. We believe that most likely it will happen that way, and then second scenario, in case that did not work, what may also happen. So this is the first scenario and it worked. I told you we're buying GBPCHF. So at this point I booked my profit and I told my people to book their profit. I gave them from TP1 to TP5. Most of them hit TP5 because we know it's a key level. It could actually fall from this particular zone, which is around 1.1470 to 1.1500. So that's it, 1.1500. So actually price got there 1.1500 and then 1.1500, yeah, and price got there and fall. So for those that took into consideration this, our key level we highlighted there, price got there, and if you enter and sell, let's see how many pips you might have made for those. So this is also another 170 pips. You would have made like 170 pips. Okay, so take our analysis serious. So what most likely price is trying to retest here. So if I see price retest here, and I see price action on lower time frame, then I will take an entry again for a sell. But at the moment, I'm not saying no because the pair is bullish. I was looking for opportunity to buy, so we have been buying all the way from this point. We have been buying to this point and we exited. So let's see what will happen. Price is in between, so there's no new entry point on GBP CHF. Then for GBP JPY, we bought GBP JPY some time ago, and also we sold GBP JPY. So our latest trade on GBP JPY is a buy. And then why are we buying GBP JPY? Remember, price got here and fall, which we made good pips and profit. Right now, all GBP pairs are strong today, Monday. So we are buying GBP JPY. I've already sent it to the pay group, and then we have already made it. Already hit at TP3, almost TP4 going now. Small time now to hit TP5. So for those of you that are seeing it now, don't enter. Let me show you only this today. Let's measure it so that I see what I'm saying. Look at it. This is almost 200 pips. I will show you the trades that was sent today. So it have already hit about our TP4 going to TP5. Okay, that's for GBP JPY. So for Euro AUD, we've entered Euro AUD. Currently is around entry point. We entered around 1.2, 1.6, 1.6260. Yeah. So right now price is around 1.6251. So like 9 pips. It's still running on loss, 9 pips loss. So you could actually enter the trade. This one is small dicey because price could actually go further down to test this structure, this low here, which is a support level, which is around 1.61400. So price could get down here. So but at the moment I'm buying Euro AUD. So if you're an aggressive trader, you can join us with a buy for Euro AUD. Let's see what will happen. So let me draw a new line so that we know where we started buying for this week. This is exactly where we started buying. Okay, so we'll see what will happen next week if it will work as analyzed. So let me get also a line to show that this is where we started buying around here, 1.26250 for those that are seeing the video, but for paid group is around 1.6260. We started buying. So let's see how the market will fare when we come back next week. That's for Euro AUD. Then Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Remember that we have been selling Euro NZD, and it did actually hit all our TPs. But we still believe that price have not touched it 1.8, but I've touched 38.2, and was going to 50.0 before this retracement we are seeing. So we could see price going back, trying to retest here and then fall. So for Euro NZD, I'm out of Euro NZD at the moment. We need to watch and see if price will eventually break here, this particular structure here. And once price breaks here, before it will go down more. So it could actually bounce as it's already bouncing. So then for USD JPY. USD JPY was another pair that we made profits. Even though one of them hit stop loss first before we entered the one that now gave us good profit, we sold USD JPY. Remember, last week I told us that when price came down last week, we told you that price could actually bounce from this particular key level here. Let me extend it so that you see that all these things we highlight are actually working. Price have hit it, so we could see price now going further up. That is for USD JPY. So if you did not, if you're seeing this analysis right now, and you see that price still around this point, it could actually go further up. Where you need to put your stop loss is below all these candles here. So below this green line that I've highlighted. So price could actually go further up to go back to retest this high here. For AED JPY, same thing with AED JPY. AED JPY, I sold AED JPY, but right now, not the trade. Price could actually move back upward for AED JPY. Then let's look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD has been around this point. The trade is the market is not really moving the where I like. So I was selling euro card. I've booked my profit at the moment. It's just moving, just moving slow and steady, just consolidating. So I'm not interested in euro card. But if you want to do anything on euro card, say you should look for opportunity to sell, because price came down and it's back here. So as far as here, let me highlight it, it's still holding. As far as here it's still holding, then price could actually go move move further down. As far as here now, which is where I'm just highlighting, it's still holding for this pair, then price could go further down. All right, so for wow, GBP AUD, congratulations to those that watched our video last week. All right, last week we told you that price was here, and we told you that price will go up because of the harmonic. And then I also told you that possible scenario is price to push down to get to this key level. Let me shrink it. The price, you can see the line is still inside here. See the line here. When I said that price could push down and get to this point, right? This was one of the analysis we did. Go and watch the previous video, you see it. So price have pushed down to that point. But that last week we actually bought, and when we bought, we still sold. We bought from this point, and then we went up. This is 250 pips. Then we also sold. Let's check this, what we sold. If you check the sterling, this is also almost 250 pips. So we are out of the trade. So that's why you need to follow us so that you know when we are entering. Look at it, this 300 pips, we made around 250 pips because our TP5 is 250 pips. Now today, I've already sent the signal to buy. In fact, I can send it to the free group. I'll send it to the free group. I've already sent it because I promised them that I was going to send signal there. So I'm going to drop Euro, GBP AUD and GBP and Euro AUD. I'm going to drop the two trades on the group for you to see get the entry point clearly. All right, I'm going to drop it after this video. So okay, or I'll just take it from my paid group and drop. I'll show you as we are making this video. I'll drop it so that you see how we drop trades. So this is a GB card. We are going to end with GB card. We end with GB card. So GB card, this GB card, and GB card, we told you that when price went there, we tell you that price will come back here and retest it and fall, but it could come, get here and then fall inside and continue to go up. And we started buying GP card. It moved and it hit our 250 pips. So as we speak now, price have gotten here, break this trend line. Look at it. I told you that price will continue to move up last week, and that was why I said I'm excited, because it respected our analysis and follow suit, and price continue to move up. So as we speak now, so we need to, this particular one, which is this second scenario, did not work. We told that the first scenario is that price continue to break here and go. So now you can see that it has been broken and retested. So we could see price now move further up towards this trend line here. So the price is back. So this is now a fake out. The whole of this is fake out. So when price break a particular trend line, you need to watch for a retest and watch and see if it is fake out or not. So this one is fake out because price has come back inside. We tested it now, and you can see the candle that it retested with from this point, and now I see this particular bullish one. So this one is already going above this, so it means that price will continue to go up. So that is it for this week. Go back our previous videos and watch, then watch this one, and then let's have your comments. So let's just look at fundamentals for this week, and then look at our channel. Yes, our we'll look at our Telegram channel, look at also YouTube channel, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so we are starting with you can see our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. So this is the last week video, so go and watch it also. So let's start with fundamental Forex Factory. Okay, so let's look at this week. This week You can see today is Monday, no red folder. So what you need to do is you go to Forex Factory and then look at the red folders, and then you open all the folders, and then you see the effect, usually effects. You see the one that is actual greater than forecast, good for currency and the rest. You look at forecast and actual. You look at previous and forecast, then actual is when the news will come out, and then the market will be affected based on the actual. So in the morning, tomorrow morning, Tuesday, we are going to have cash rates for AUD. Very important. RBA statement, RBA monetary policy statement. So very important. Watch out for that news. It's going to impact heavily on AUD and NZD pairs. Okay, we have PMS. We have orange colors, construction PMIs for GBP. We have CAD Ivory PMI. We have USD 10-year bond auction. But what I'm interested in is the red folder. Okay, we also have some holidays this week, but look at on Thursday we're going to have GBP monetary policy summary, then MPC of official bank rates votes. So official bank rates for GBP will be coming out on Thursday, May 9th. Watch out for that news. It's going to impact so much on GBP pairs. And unemployment claims for US dollar. So, and that also will impact on US pairs. You can see 30-year bond auction, GDP and that is on Friday. Unemployment claim and unemployment change, and then unemployment rates for USD. So just go to Forex Factory, look at the red folders, but it's when the news come out you will know how the market will be impacted. So you need to do your technical analysis, and then you wait for fundamentals to confirm your analysis. Okay, fundamentals can come and then mar your technical analysis, and that's why I need to watch also for fundamental to see where the both the sentiment of the market, and then you see also the data that are out for a particular currency, and then you trade accordingly. So let's go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Okay, you can see the trade. Let me show you the trade that I've sent. You can see the trade that I've sent this week. You can let's show you last week first. See all those trades I told you. See gold. You see gold, we only lost once last week. Look at it once. See how many goals we sent, and we made all of them. See, you can see all of them. Some at TP1 and went back, but majority of them was TP5. Okay, it was only one good we lost last week. So we made 7,000 something pips, 7,790 pips. So you can see when you click each of them, you see when the trade was sent. You see that it's not a fluke. Okay, let me just click this one now. You see when it was sent. Look at it. Buy good, and we bought good. It got to 23.20. So this is how we roll. So let's see this today's trade that we have already sent. In fact, let me go and then let me give it to them free group. This one I've just started moving. So let me copy it and drop. Let me drop it on the free group. Free group. These are free group. Dubiss Forex Academy. So join. So let me drop it here. Okay. So you will see. Let me also drop another one. Let me drop like 2 trades that will send to our pay group here. Let me drop like 2 trades. Okay. This one we started buying 6260. Let's see where the trade is right now. Whether it's still okay. No, this is GBP AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. So let's see where the price is at the moment. Currently 6250. Abi? Yeah. Let's see where the price is. Okay, so you see 6255. But let me copy it based on how it is. All right, in the paid group. Where is it? Euro AUD. So I'm giving you these 3 trades for free But for those that watch the video, you still see that we're also buying what's it called? See that we're also buying GBP USD. So let me send this also trade for free. So I'm sending it for free. We're sending it for free. So we are sending how many trades now for free. So let's go back to that's our paid group. This is our paid group. You can see that GBP/USD have not actually hit TP1, but it's going. But this one I've already hit TP4, 1.9370. It have hit TP4. So 9420 will be TP5. Let's see where the price is. Let's see where the price is. GBJPY. Look at this, 9340. So 9340 is where it is. 9340 is where it is. So 9340. Okay, it have not hit TP4, but it's about to hit TP4 and then TP5. If you want to still take it, you can, but because I believe to get to TP5. All right, otherwise you stay clear of the trade because you've already missed the entry. Because if you enter here, you'll be risking high because stop loss is 19170. So, but I'm giving you two for free. Thank you very much. Please ensure you like this channel, subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Like the video. Let's have your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Let's trade and make money. Register with our broker. We have, please, before I forget, we have Access. Access is our broker now. Access, and then we also have Infinus also. All right, so go to our channel. You see our brokers we are using. All right, okay. So we still have FBSs there too. Those are brokers, and then there's still 10 trade. So we have 4 brokers, but we're measuring on Access. Access is a major broker now. You know, at every point in time we have a major broker. So, and that is Access, followed by Infinus, and then FBS and 10 trade. So register with any one of it, more especially Access. If you want to register with Access and open extra accounts and then trade and make money. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.